Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to enable dark mode in Viber for Windows. Different applications these days come with dark modes. Dark modes are specially made for the convenience of the eyes. Among those apps, Viber is the next best messaging app that also gave us the new dark mode. Viber provides its user 3 different modes. Those have appeared as its theme. Namely, they are Classic Mode, Dark Blue Mode, and Black Mode. You can choose either of your preferred choice of themes. Open Viber app. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the window. A new window will open. Select Appearance from the left side list. Go to Themes. You can choose between 2 dark themes, dark blue and black. Check the theme that you want to use. It will apply to the app immediately. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!